graders, this is syllables and affixes sort 5. Now sort 5 is about adding on ing to words. Okay, so adding on that ing to words. So this week we have 4 headers or columns. The first one, again, we're going to be working on finding that base word. Now, this week we have to pay really close attention to where the vowel is and then the consonant after. Remember, a vowel is A-E-I-O-U. So in our example here, get, we find the vowel, which is the E, and then the letter after it is a consonant. Get. So that is one of our base words. Now, our next column is doubling those consonants and adding on an ing. So, for example, because we have only one consonant here to begin with in our base word, remember our base word is get. So because we only have a vowel and then only one consonant, we have to double that consonant. See, there's 2 T's now. And then add on the ing. So it becomes getting. Our next column is again back to a base word. Now the difference between this base word and this base word is that this base word has 2 consonants after the vowel. So again, vowels A-E-I-O-U. So there's the A, there's the vowel, and then we have an S and a K as a consonant. Ask. So then our next heading is when you're adding on an ing and there's already 2 consonants, you can just add that ing right on. So again, the difference between these two, adding on the INGs, this one only had 1 consonant. So you had to add on another one and then the ing. This one, there was already 2 consonants there after that vowel. So I can just go ahead and add on that ing. So let's try some words here. The first word I have is swimming. Now this is not a base word, I know that because I see the ing at the end. So already this column is out and this column is out. So I'm looking to see, did I have to double any of the consonants in here? Do I see 2 letters right next to each other? Yes, I see 2 M's. So I know that I had to double that consonant. So it's going to go in the double column, swimming. My next word is sit. Now this must be a base word. I don't see an ing at the end. So what I have to do to figure it out is I have to find that vowel. There it is in the I. Then I have to look to see, is there 1 consonant or 2 consonants after that vowel? I'm only seeing 1, so it's a vowel consonant. So it's going to go over here under vowel consonant. Next word is yell. Yell. So again, this must be a base word. I'm not seeing an ing at the end. So I find that vowel. There it is, the E. And I look to see how many consonants are after that vowel. I see 2 L's. So I know that it must go under vowel, consonant, consonant. Next word, run. Run. Again, this is a base word. So I look to find the vowel. There it is, U. I only have 1 consonant after. So I'm going to put it under vowel, consonant. Running. Running. Alright, well I know that the base word was run. I know that there was only 1 consonant after that vowel. I checked to make sure. Are there 2 of the same letter right there? Did I have to double something? Yes, I did. So I'm putting it in the double column. Swim. Swim. This is a base word. I'm not seeing an ing at the end. So I will find that vowel, I. I look next. Is there 1 consonant or 2? I'm only seeing 1. So I'm going to put it in vowel consonant. base word. Let's try sitting. Sitting. Alright, well I know that sit is the base word. I see a vowel consonant. So I know that this must be in the double. When I only have one consonant after the vowel, I have to double it to make it 2. And of course I see that double of the T's right there, so I'm going to put it in double. Alright, let's find some other INGs here. Here we go. Picking. Picking. So my base word is pick. Pick. Now I still find that vowel, I, and I look, there's 2 consonants after already. So in my head I should be thinking, okay, I don't have to double this. There's already 2 consonants after that vowel. So I look just to make sure, are there any letters that I'm doubling here? And there isn't, so I'm going to put it on just adding that ING. Jumping. Same thing with this one. Jump is the base word. I find that vowel. I look to see, okay, there's consonant number 1, consonant number 2. I'm not seeing a double anywhere. So I'm just adding on that ING. Passing. Now passing might try to trick up some of your brains. There's a couple words in this sort where you have to really make sure you focus on the base word. So the base word here is pass. The word is already pass. I look to see, there's my vowel A, and I have 2 consonants at the end. Now, it gets tricky because those 2 consonants just so happen to be the same. So some friends like to put this in the double category because there are 2 S's. But you have to remember that the base word was already pass. Right? So all we really did is we only added on that ING. We didn't have to add on another letter. It was already there. So this one does have to go in just the ING. Same thing with this yell. Yelling. Find that base word first. My base word is yell. Find that vowel E. Consonant, consonant. All I'm doing is adding on the ING. So even though it has double L's there, don't put it here because we didn't have to add on another consonant. It was already there. All we had to do is add on that ING. So be very careful when you're doing this sort of those couple words when the base word already has a double letter. Those are kind of sneaky. Alright, we're going to stop here for now. Happy sorting!